Okay, so in problem number 3, we're asked to find the circumference of the circle, so that's a little bit different. We actually know the arc length of FG is 13 centimeters. So we are trying to figure out the whole circles all the way around how long it is. We were given some central angle measures. FEG is 3x. HEF is 2x, and HEG is 4x. So we actually need to figure out what the central angle FEG is if we can use this 13 to find the circumference. So to figure that out, we're going to have to figure out what x is. We know all the angles around a circle have an expression, and so we're going to use that idea. 2x plus 3x plus 4x, and that would equal 360 because we went all the way around. This would be 9x equals 360. So x is 40, and if that is true, then we know that the measure of angle FEG would be 3 times 40, that would be 120. So the arc measure is 120 and the arc length is 13. So to write my equation, I'm going to say 120 degrees is to all the way around the circle, as the arc length of 13 is to the circumference, and we'll call that circumference x. Okay, now we're just going to do a little bit of arithmetic. And that is 4,680, I believe. And then we're going to divide both sides by 120. And we get 39, and so this will be 39 centimeters. So kind of working backwards here, trying to find a little bit of a different thing. We're actually finding the circumference. That's a great problem.